Leukemia is a type of cancer. It is cancer of the blood cells in the bone marrow. But how does it happen? What happens to the body when it has leukemia, and how is it treated? To find out, we must travel into the body itself, entering the micro world of the cells. The body performs thousands of different processes. Each is complex and vital to staying alive. These processes are carried out and controlled by workers called cells. One of the most important cell groups are the blood cells. These cells are made in the bone marrow, which is where our journey begins. The body needs to make billions of blood cells a day. Because of this, the bone marrow has to operate quickly and efficiently. It makes white blood cells, the body's doctors, red blood cells, the oxygen carriers, and platelets, which are like internal plasters. All the different blood cells are grown from stem cells. The cells then mature in the marrow and are released into the bloodstream to take their part in the running of the body. Sometimes a defective cell is created. The cell cannot perform its vital role efficiently. Usually a signal would tell the cell to destroy itself. However, this cell ignores the body's instructions and begins a process called mitosis. It divides itself in two, making an exact copy. Each new cell does the same, rapidly reproducing the same defective cell. These defective cells are called cancer cells. Bone marrow becomes filled with the cancerous cells. It thinks it has created enough blood cells, and the production of new blood cells is halted. This means the body becomes low on its oxygen carriers and protectors. The cancerous cells enter into the bloodstream and spread through the body. If a virus or a harmful bacteria enters the body, the white blood cells are sent to fight the foreign cells before they can reproduce. But the cancerous white blood cells are immature and do not have the correct information on how to combat these infections. Foreign cells divide and spread throughout the body, making it sick. Cancer can be treated with chemotherapy. This is when a medicine called the anti-neoplastic drug is introduced into the bloodstream. This drug is toxic to rapidly reproducing cells like the cancer cells. It latches on to the cancer cells and kills them. The bone marrow then receives a signal to make new blood cells. White blood cells can then mature and combat any infections the body may have, returning it to a fully functional life machine.